Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best welding curtains. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, Jackson Safety Welding Curtain. Ever been blinded by a welding arc even from across the shop? Or worried about sparks flying toward your team or equipment? I used to struggle with makeshift barriers and poor visibility. Nothing seemed to block the glare or keep the space safe. Then I discovered the Jackson Safety Transparent Welding Curtain. It filters out UV and blue light, protecting everyone nearby. The green color reduces harsh arc light, but keeps visibility clear. No more guessing what's happening behind the curtain. It's made from heavy-duty flame-resistant PVC, super tough stuff. Built-in grommets make hanging it up a breeze. Just hook it to your frame, done in minutes. Now, sparks and spatter stay contained, and fumes are easier to extract. It meets NFPA 701 and other top safety standards. If you want a safer, more efficient welding zone, this is it. Upgrade your workspace. Check out Jackson Safety's welding curtains today. Number 4, VEVOR welding screen with frame, 638. Many think a welding curtain is just a simple barrier, but unprotected workshops face serious UV and fire risks. I'm a welding safety specialist with over a decade of experience. I've seen countless injuries caused by inadequate workspace shielding. Ordinary curtains can't block sparks, UV flash, or heat radiation. That's why I recommend the VEVOR welding screen with frame. Its 6:8 coverage isolates your entire welding area efficiently. Premium flame-resistant vinyl shields against sparks and molten metal. 6-level UV protection reduces radiation, protecting both eyes and skin. The sturdy metal frame prevents tipping, ensuring stable safety. 4 360-degree swivel wheels allow easy movement and quick locking. Setup takes minutes. Cable ties and user manual are included. In my workshop, it's kept workers safe and productive every day. Don't compromise on safety. Choose VEVOR for reliable protection. Upgrade your workshop today. Click to secure your VEVOR screen now. Number 3, Vincreem 2 PC's welding curtain. Many believe any tarp can protect during welding, but standard tarps don't block harmful UV or blue light. I'm a welding safety specialist with years in industrial environments. Exposure to welding arcs can cause eye and skin damage. Ordinary covers fail to filter out dangerous rays and sparks. That's why I recommend the Vincreem welding curtain, made from heavy-duty, tear-resistant vinyl for lasting durability. This curtain blocks UV and blue light, protecting your vision. It also reduces noise and clearly divides work areas. Easy installation, fixed belts and reinforced grommets included. 2 large curtains fit, stands up to 6 by 8 feet for flexible coverage. See how it shields workers and equipment from sparks and splashes. Users report safer, quieter, and more efficient welding zones. Upgrade your workshop safety with Vincreem welding curtains. Protect yourself and your team. Order yours today. Number 2, vinyl welding screen with frame. Welding safety just got an upgrade. Protect your team instantly. Picture your busy workshop, sparks flying, productivity high. Our 3-panel 6x6 FT vinyl welding screen stands guard. Flame-resistant PVC blocks heat, UV rays, sparks, and splatter. Level 6 UV protection shields workers and sensitive equipment. 0.4 mm thick vinyl delivers industrial-grade durability and clarity. Need flexibility? Segmented steel tubes snap together in minutes. Zip ties let you add or remove panels. No tools required. Connect multiple screens for custom enclosures or straight dividers. Move with ease. 360-degree swivel casters glide smoothly, lock securely. Perfect for welding shops, construction sites, and auto workshops. Red panels ensure visibility while maintaining essential protection. Boost safety, productivity, and workspace organization effortlessly. Upgrade your welding environment. Protect what matters most. Ready to transform your workspace. Click to secure your screen now. Number 1, meet the VEVOR welding screen, your workspace's superhero cape. 3 panels, each 6 by 8 feet, enough coverage for a small parade. Block sparks, fuzz splatter, UV and heat like a pro goalie. 12 wheels, all 360-degree swivel, moves smoother than your dance moves. 6 wheels lock tight so it won't roll away like your lunch break. Premium flame-resistant vinyl, hotter than your mixtape but won't burn. Waterproof, durable, and built to survive more drama than a reality show. Stable metal frame, no tipping, even if you lean on it like a tired welder. 6-level UV protection, sunglasses for your whole workspace. Protects your eyes and skin, no more accidental lobster impersonations. Easy to install, no engineering degree or magic wand required. Perfect for workshops, shipyards, auto shops, anywhere sparks fly. Keeps harmful gases, heat, and sparks in check like a strict bouncer. Move it, lock it, trust it. This screen's got your back. VEVOR, making welding safer, brighter, and just a bit cooler. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.